Good morning, everyone. Welcome back again to my channel. We're gonna walk here. It is still early, 7 o'clock in the morning. I wanna help Philip here cleaning the stick wood. This is our pineapple.
Oh, here you get a good perspective of all the damage done here.
Oh yeah. Wow. Morning, Daile.
Yeah, every single tree is damaged or down.
That's our dam. So we're here towards to the road. We'll just burn that.
I got to get the cutter up here.
Small branches.
Oh, there isn't a path through there. See how I stacked
Yeah.
by the road? Here, up there.
So many really. Philip worked that one yesterday. So,
See all these branches? I thought I got to get out of here, but
where is your,
I blocked myself in.
oh yeah.
So,
There's no way to go there?
yeah. Let's go, oh boy, I should have brought the chainsaw and cut this off.
I'll get the chainsaw.
No, let's go. Here, right here.
Nee, oh!
Yeah.
I can walk here.
Here, man. We walk down the road.
Oh, okay.
But see the piles?
Oh yeah, so many piles.
Oh yeah, all this in here. See?
Still have a lot of work, Daile.
Oh God, we got so much wood.
This one, oh, because he almost thick. You can cut this one. What is this, sister? Stem? You should.
Now this pile here, this I'll just add to it as we go. I tried yesterday, I just couldn't get it lit.
Okay.
And you should have brought the coconut.
No, this is okay. Wow. Everything's fall, Daile.
What?
Everything fall.
Oh, everything's down here. It took everything here.
Look at Little. She cannot come here.
Yep.
Little.
Oh no.
We still have a lot of water there. Oh. So this is our property here. The clean there. Little. Nah.
Oh honey, she's gonna get wet. She'll go in here.
Yeah, because she's scared there. She don't know. You're gonna get wet, Langga. Be careful.
Let's get the fire going.
Alalala, agwi. May.
Come on, little.
She don't care the mud. So I started the fire now.